I'm using cheap colored pencils and the world's worst paper, but watch this. Most people think that they're bad at colored pencils, they just don't know these simple tricks. First, hold your pencil further back and keep a light grip. And make sure your pencils are sharp, that gives you way more control and smoother layers. I'll be coloring 3 trees to show you different examples. I'm starting with the best version, this tree in front. Start light and build slowly. I'm using multiple shades of green. Leave some white for highlights. Remember to control your pressure and work light to dark. Let's use color theory. I'm also using a little red, green's complementary color, to add depth. For the trunk, brown leans orange, so I'm adding a bit of blue for the shadows. That's complementary color contrast. And you may have noticed I added yellow to where the light hits it to keep it warm. Once your design is to your liking, we're going to burnish this. Burnishing just means pressing harder at the end to blend all the layers together and make it look smooth and finished. Tree number 2. Now this tree, we're only going to use 2 colors for the trunk and 2 for the leaves. It still looks good, just not as much depth. Moving on to tree 3, this is what not to do. So this is just 1 color for the leaves, 1 color for the trunk. I can still make sure that it's a different value, but it looks flat and it doesn't have as much dimension. Let's compare now. These are the same trees, just different techniques. Now watch this, I'll fix the last one. Just adding only 2 more colors. So it's the same tree, but very different results. If you want better colored pencil drawings, focus on how you color, not just what you color. But which tree is your favorite? 1, 2, or 3?